left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
We just bought a bus that is ours officially. Paperwork signed. Here comes Kevin. We're getting to walk into it. What do you think, babe?
I'm excited.
Take some pictures for me. No, of the roof.
How you feeling?
It's like actually ours.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited and nervous.
What are you excited for?
Everything.
Yeah. What were you just saying? What are you talking about?
No, turn off. I don't like vlogging.
So we're taking delivery of the coach. How you girls doing?
Good.
What do you think?
Crazy.
Crazy?
Awesome.
Crazy awesome, huh?
How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel good. I'm nervous.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive this in a couple hours, but it will be good.
You up for it?
I like the chilling part of it. This is nice back here.
Yeah?
I like it a lot. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm nervous. I'm on camera. Nice and quiet back here.
So excited.
You got everything set up.
I can't see you. It's dark.
Heading to our first BLM.
I can't see anything. I'm trying to hear. Can you put your light on there? I don't know how to turn my light on.
We're gonna get there. We're gonna go.
Eventually.
Going 12. We're going 12.
Oh God.
Forever.
First BLM land.
Yeah. Night one.
We've lost an AC. Filled up with gas.
Twice.
Had a power surge. We're doing good.
Oh God. Yay. Fun.
Hash brown can do it. We can get through it.
We can get through it. Oh boy. Night number 1.
Don't drive at night. Get to campsite at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That's Boondocked on night 1.
We're not following any of the rules.
Good tips. By us. Yeah.
Stay on paved roads.
Is that one of the things?
No.
Oh, okay.
All right, day 2. We just got it back to the storage facility, and it's demo time. Yeah, we're starting to peel some wallpaper out. Fun. This actually isn't that bad. I'm gonna try to film it here while I do it. Gets a little noisy, so I'm gonna mute it here.
Secret weapon.
So, back into the bedroom. I removed the headboard from the back wall. Also, just got done taking off this back valance here. Again, nice and easy, just 2 screws up here into the bottom. All right, we're back in. What day is it? Day 3. Ready to start tearing stuff apart. We're gonna sing some music and hook up the tripod. So, last night's progress, I got half the bedroom wall done. That's about it. Had to give up, but one wall's done. And got 1.5 bedroom, and bunk is starting demoing. Little blow dryer does the trick. Got a double peel going.
See, it's going all on the side, baby. Yeah.
I'm gonna smack you.
No, but look where it's going. Yeah.
Keep it up.
So
Tape the paint on the wall.
it was right on that.
Well, hey, don't touch where you're touching.